When it comes to bobbins, sewing machines are a bit like washing machines. You get top loaders and you get front loaders. Generally speaking, the front loader has a removable bobbin casing. Top loaders have the bobbin casing as a built-in feature. To prepare your machine for sewing, you need to fill the bobbin with thread. Here we have two different kinds of bobbins, one acrylic, one metal. I prefer using metal bobbins. Remove the stopper, insert your spool thread onto the spool pin and replace the stopper. On the machine there is an illustration of the path to follow when winding the bobbin. Use both hands for better control and slip the thread into the first guide. Counterclockwise around the next guide that has two pressure discs. Make sure the thread is completely inside this mechanism so that you can control it better when winding. Next, you want to insert the thread from inside the bobbin. That's very important, otherwise it won't wind correctly. From inside the bobbin through any one of the holes. Grab the end and place the bobbin on the spindle. Engage the entire bobbin spindle towards the right. This will disengage the motor from the needle. So while you're winding, the needle will not go up and down. Hold your thread up straight so it does not get tangled with the winding. After a few turns, snip the thread short against the bobbin. Continue winding the bobbin. It can sometimes happen that the bobbin does not wind evenly, in which case you will grab a hold of the thread and just help it a little. When you find that the bobbin starts stuttering, that means that the thread around the bobbin is pressing against this stopper and it's fully wound. Disengage the spindle and snip off your thread and leave the bobbin in place.